I'm just riding around on my rocket, 'cause it's my birthday. Hey Space Cubers, check this out. Join 4th of November 2019. It's Cats and Cubes' 3rd birthday special. Cats and Cubes and Cats and Cubes birthday. Cats and Cubes. Yep, ready, hang on. Hello! The birthday specials are my favourite. When the channel turned 1, I made a Rubik's Cube cake. That was cool, and we got to see Space Cat take off her Space Cat head for the first time ever. But the second birthday video was a sparkler for each subscriber, and I had the luck of having Phil U, Crazy Bad Cuba, and Tilly all send me a video message. So let's have another look.
Space Cat.
But after a 10-month break, I thought any celebrity I asked this time would be like,
What do you want, homo?
Happy birthday to you. Nobody likes you.
so what were we going to do? I know. Let's do the real-life NBA Jam video. Yes, where the basketball would be on fire. Remember the old game where the guy would go, he's on fire? So you're going to see a lot of really pretty things in this video, but you should never do any of them. Never play with fire. The people that did the stunts in this video are all wearing fireproof gloves and clothing and protective gel and stuff. So don't juggle while they're on fire. Don't play table tennis while it's on fire. Day or night. Basically don't do anything you see a Space Cat doing. So we'll shoot some hoops NBA style, and I thought cause I'm a cubing channel we'll have some throws with the cube as well. And I thought we could do this with rugby league as well, like swap out the footy for the cube and kick the cube off the tee. That'd be awesome. And then I looked in to see if anyone had ever kicked a footy that was on fire, and they hadn't. So I thought, no. So we'll be kicking the fire footy and cube between these posts over the crossbar like this. Ooh, not like that. We'll show you how it's done, but please remember not to set your own balls on fire because the surface will melt into your skin, but ours are covered in a special material. Just stick with cubing, because we're all about safety at Cats and Cubes. And that was fun. There was actually 6 different people that played Space Cat in this video, so a big thanks to all you guys. Thanks everyone for watching the 3rd birthday special. Give it a thumbs up if you like this type of content. See you next time. Thanks for watching Cats and Cubes. Oh, please hit subscribe if you want to.